Hi everyone, how are you doing? I hope you are having a great day. So today I will be unboxing my May Target beauty box. If you're unfamiliar with this box, it's not necessarily a subscription box because every single month you need to log in and purchase it. It's not just automatically taken from your account, so it's not a subscription. I try and always post on my community tab when these Target boxes become available so you are able to get one. They are a really good deal. They're only $7 per month. Some months they have one box like May, and then other boxes or other months like April they have like 5. I just checked the website and it looks like the May box is not listed, so it must have sold out, but they have about 5 other beauty boxes, I think all from April, maybe some other ones as well. If you want to check those out, I will link that down below. And also, Target just recently started doing pet boxes. So there is a box for cats and a box for dogs. They're actually more expensive than the one for us humans. That one I believe is $10 for each. So I will link those down below. And I would love to know, do you guys have any interest in me unboxing the cat subscription on my channel, or would that be boring for you? Definitely leave a comment down below. So this is what the box looks like. It usually, it just has a different design every month, but a similar shape and all that, and has Target Beauty on there. I like this month. I like how it's purple, super cute. When you buy this, they do show you sneak peeks online. I honestly don't really remember what's coming in here. I try to avoid the picture, even though I post it in my community tab for you guys. I try not to like read about it or really like form too much of a memory on it, and one good thing about getting so many boxes, sometimes I forget what's coming in them. But I do know that I've spent $7, and I do have a like red card for Target or whatever it's called. So you save a little bit of money, so it's like a little less than $7, but there's some taxes, so it comes out to be right around $7 with free shipping. So seriously, it is a good deal. Anyways, when I open it, this is what I see. And it looks like it's a festival theme, like a lot of boxes went this month and last month. So it says Festival Beauty Headliners. Coachella, EDC, Governor's Ball, festival season is finally here. To help you stand out from the crowd and make your life just a little bit easier, we rounded up the beauty headliners that will make you the star of the show. So yeah, and on the back of the card, which you might have already been able to see when I was reading, it lists the products that come inside. Does not give any pricing information, but you do get a $3 off coupon every single box, which is super great, because if you do go to, and use this, I think you can use it in stores or online. Yeah, you can use it either one. So if you use that, really your box is like $4 if you think of it that way. So I actually have some purchases I need to make, so I'm definitely going to use this, and this doesn't expire until till June 2nd, so I have some time, so that's awesome. Great perk of this box. So and there's also some like tips and hints sometimes listed on here. A lot of them are like super obvious, like the directions of the product, but I'm gonna keep it nearby just in case. So it's all wrapped in some tissue. And then here is what I am seeing. So I'm just gonna grab the first thing. This is by Bliss. We often get Bliss products in our Target boxes, and I like them. I like Bliss a lot, so that's cool. This is a jelly glow peel. Oh, a gentle non-abrasive exfoliator with fruit enzymes. So yeah, it looks like it's like a wash, but it's supposed to peel away your dead skin cells a little bit. I just used the Saturday Skin peel that we received in BoxyCharm, like limited edition skincare box, and I loved it. It really gets away all the junk, and my skin was so smooth. So I will probably try this out once I'm done with that product. I know this is probably a lot more reasonably priced, so if you guys are interested, I can let you know. Let's see if it says anything interesting about this. So it says bouncy gel peel, gently exfoliates and hydrates, leaving skin soft, fresh, and perfectly primed for smooth makeup application. That's true. I love to exfoliate my skin before I put on makeup. It says when the skin is damp, dot onto cheeks, forehead, and chin, then gently massage in a circular motion to sweep away any impurities. So just like the directions, that's our tip. All right, and this is a pretty good size. This is 1 fluid ounce or 30 mLs, and you only need a little bit, it says, so that should last multiple uses. Next up is a nail polish. This is by Sinful Colors Professional, made in the USA, and this is in Fool for Azul. I actually received like a blue nail polish in, what was it, my like 2 Bombay and Cedars ago or something like that. Yeah, I don't know. I'll probably put this in a giveaway because I get dip manicures on my nails. I do paint my toes sometimes, but like I said, I already have a blue. So let's read about this first before I decide. It says, has an easy to use brush, effortlessly glides across nails, ensuring that polish goes on perfectly and that you'll make a splash in this playful aqua hue. Yeah, I think I'm gonna set this aside for a giveaway. It definitely is a very pretty color. I have blue on my toes now. I would show you if it wasn't gross to do that or difficult to lift my leg up that high. I've kind of lost my flexibility. I need to get back into yoga. But speaking of giveaways, usually I mention it at the beginning of my video, but I forgot to. I have three giveaways going on right now, and one ends tonight. The Cover FX giveaway ends tonight at midnight Eastern Standard Time. So if you have not yet entered, definitely do so. And then there's also, I have two joint giveaways going on. One with Crate Joy that ends on the 31st, and one with Formulate, and that is custom hair shampoo and conditioner, which I was raving about yesterday. So if you have not yet entered either of those, they'll all be linked down below. Next up is something by SGX NYC, the Do It All 3-in-1 Dry Texture Spray. Have you guys noticed like a lot of hair brands end in like GX? Like isn't there like IGX or OGX, or am I confusing the letters? But I feel like there's a lot like that. I've never heard of this one, SGX. It's Salon Graphics, I guess is what it stands for. So this is supposed to give you volume, refresh, hold. It's a dry shampoo meets hairspray. I don't use too much product in my hair, but this sounds nice. This sounds like something I would use, especially if I was trying to like put some kind of curl or wave in my hair. Look how straight my hair is. And if it was dirty too, this would be like a 2-in-1. So this says, this 3-in-1 formula texturizes, amplifies, and refreshes hair, instantly absorbing oil so day-old locks look bouncy and full of life. And then they said there's a hint. It says for added fullness, spray with your head upside down. I have heard of that before. And this is, again, 1 ounce like the last product, so a pretty good size. So I'm excited to try it out. If it does all 3 of those things, that would be nice. All right, next up, what is this? This looks like it's a sunscreen or something. This is by Hawaiian Tropic Antioxidant Refresh Sunscreen Mist. Oh, this is awesome. It says it has SPF 30. It's good for the face and the body. It's made with green tea extract. It helps prevent skin damage and skin aging from the sun. Having a mist that you can spray on your face with SPF, that is genius. Like I've had those sprays, like sunscreen sprays for outside, like, or I mean for every day. Usually I use them when I'm like out in the beach or the boat or whatever. And I don't put that on my face because it doesn't say it's safe for the face. But this you can actually spray directly on your face. It's not like the ones you have to put in your hand and then dot on, like, and be careful. This is actually intended for your face. That is so cool. I'm really excited to try this out. This is something I definitely need, and I love how Target like tapes up the top just in case the top comes off and there's any leakage. It prevents that, and this tape comes off really easily. Like I can show you right now. So awesome. Let's see if it says anything different on here besides the directions. Okay, it says it's oil-free, awesome, weightless and moisturizing sunscreen mist that's formulated with age-proofing antioxidants and is ideal for touch-ups on the go. Yeah, that's something I'll probably keep in my purse, like if you don't intend to be out in the sun too long, but you end up being like that. Like sometimes like my skincare I wear every day has SPF in it, but I might need an extra boost if I'm gone out of the house for a while. So if this works out well, if like the sprayer is good and everything, I'm definitely gonna get full size. That's awesome. The next thing I see is kind of odd. It's by Sincerely Jewels and Scunchi or Scunchi. I don't know how to say that brand's name, but it's like a hair care brand. I've seen them before. This is what it looks like. I think these are intended to go in your hair, but I have like super thin hair and that still seems small. So this says, this is assorted jewelry hair rings. And it says loop through a boho braid or place around the crown of a high pony for festival ready locks in a blink. It says simply weave into sections of hair, then secure with a spritz or 2 of hairspray. Oh, I can see it looking good like on a braid. Like my hair is so thin, like the end of it would definitely, it would work. One of these has like a little leaf on it, and the other one has a moon. The other one just looked kind of plain. Do you guys have any ideas how else I can use this? I usually wear my hair down like when I'm filming, I guess. Like sometimes when I'm done filming, I'm editing, I like throw my hair up just to get it out of my face. But yeah, these are interesting. I'll have to try these out. Oh yay, I love masks. This is by Unmasked Beauty. This is Mask Bar Holographic Foil Peel Off Mask. This holographic peel off mask helps to revitalize, moisturize, and illuminate the appearance of skin. It has collagen, eucalyptus extract, and grapefruit extract. Look, even the packaging is like holographic. So it says apply a thin, even layer to dry skin, leave on for 10 to 15 minutes or until it's dry, and then gently peel it off. I know a lot of people are like scared of peel off masks and stuff like that, and it says to apply a thin layer, but I think the thicker the layer, the better in terms of peeling it off and less pain. Maybe I just, you know, have a high pain tolerance with face masks and stuff, but I kind of like the feeling. I feel like when you can like feel it peel off, it's doing something. Maybe that's just me, I don't know. Let's see what it says about this. It says, this holographic peel-off mask helps revitalize, moisturize, and illuminate the appearance of skin. Hello, glow. I wonder how it'll look on the skin. That'll be really cool to see if it's actually holographic. And it looks like, oh, some of those hair rings had fallen off. There's even more. There's so many of them. This one has like a little gem on it, and this is just like a hoop. But now I can see. So, yeah, kind of like you can bend it apart to put in your hairs. I feel like this could, something about it reminds me of like a piercing or of some sort, I don't know. Like this one kind of reminds me of like a belly button ring. I used to have that back in the day. I took it out like forever ago and I still have a hole there, but no one sees it because no one wants to see me, my tummy. But let's move on to the last item. This is something I'm excited about because I use Dove. Dove Dry Spray Go Fresh, the Cool Essentials Antiperspirant. I have the stick form of this. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, yesterday I posted a poll. I realized I have got quite the collection of natural deodorants right now, and I personally am on the quest to see what is the best. So as of yesterday, I'm starting to review 5, maybe more if I come across, I think I might have one more, so 5 or 6 different brands of natural deodorant. So I probably won't use this for a while unless I like really need it. Like maybe if I'm like going on a date, I don't want to be stinky, but right now I'm using one that lasted through a workout, so it's looking good. I even have like a notebook where I'm reviewing everything, seeing if it irritates my skin, because I know a lot of people get irritated from like baking soda and stuff. So I'm like doing a thorough review. Like not everyone said they wanted a natural deodorant review, but I'm gonna do it anyway. So I will share a video on that probably in a while. So I'm gonna do each deodorant at least a week. So it'll be like 5 weeks, so in over a month. But that reminded me to tell you. And also, if you're not following me on Instagram, I always leave my social media links down below in the description box. So follow me there. I love to post polls and stuff like that. I do it on my community tab here on YouTube as well. But yeah, sometimes I just update you on other little things on Instagram stories. So overall, I think this was a good month. I am generally always happy with Target beauty boxes. I think they're always worth the price. It's so convenient that it gets shipped here pretty quickly, $7, and then I get a $3 off coupon. Stuff you actually need and use come in these boxes. Like we've gotten toothpaste and stuff before, and some people might like think that's lame, but you actually need toothpaste. I'm pretty sure we all brush our teeth, right? We all wear deodorant. It's nice to try different kinds sometimes, or just to get small ones to keep in your bag or something, like, you know, especially in the hot summer months. I must say I am by far the most excited for this sunscreen spray. This is so awesome. I'm so excited. And I love peel like washes like this Bliss one. And if this works as well as the Saturday Skin one, I'm sure this is a lot less expensive. So that would be amazing. The hair spray, like, I mean, this is probably, this and the hair rings are probably what I'm the least excited about because I'm not like a big hair person, but I'm gonna figure out a way to try this out. Maybe I'll like braid my hair and put these in one video or something. You guys can let me know how ridiculous I look. And I love masks, so always a plus to get masks. So yeah, I will leave the link to this box, and hopefully this box comes back, but again, I always post on my community tab to let you know because sometimes they do sell out quickly. This used to happen all the time. The last few months they were better about it, but I don't know what happened. I guess people swept in and bought this May box. And I'll also link those pet boxes down below. So yeah, that concludes the Target beauty box. If you're still watching, I just wanted to update you guys on something. If anyone is still there, I know this video is probably getting lengthy, especially for a Target beauty box. But I decided when I was like going through my makeup today and yesterday, I get so much makeup, and whenever I find something that really works, I just keep using it, and then I don't really try anything else out. And I want to be able to like review things for you and also declutter my collection to things that of things that don't really work for me. So what I'm gonna do is try using different makeup. Like today, I might look a little different because I'm using all different makeup pretty much than what I normally do every day. I can't say I'm loving every part of it. But one way I'm going to keep track of everything is I'm going to start listing all the makeup I wear in my description box. So if you guys ever have questions, like every now and then I get a question about like what lipstick I'm wearing or whatever, that'll all be down below. So now I can kind of track things. And also for anyone that's curious, it will be there as well. So starting today in this video, you will see that in the description box. So let me know your thoughts. Do you like knowing what I'm wearing? Should I just keep that to myself? I don't know. Well, anyways, I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Thank you so much for unboxing with me. I hope you consider subscribing before you go, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.